In The Millionaire Next Door, Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko revealed that true wealth stems from discipline, frugality, and strategic decisions, not flashy lifestyles. Most millionaires live modestly, save diligently, and focus on financial independence over outward displays of wealth, offering a blueprint for anyone seeking lasting financial security. Here are 8 key assets that can help you achieve wealth and financial freedom. 1. A business. Successful entrepreneurs often leave us in awe. We marvel at how they accumulate billions in a single lifetime and sometimes misjudge their efforts, assuming their wealth comes without hard work. This misconception is a significant mental block that keeps many people stuck in financial struggles. Building a profitable business requires immense effort and perseverance. Transforming an idea into a thriving enterprise demands not just hard work, but strategic thinking and resilience. Self-made billionaires like Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Mark Zuckerberg didn't stumble upon success. They built it through relentless dedication. The critical difference between entrepreneurs and employees lies in the type of income they earn. Entrepreneurs put in intense effort initially to build a system that generates passive income, allowing them to reap rewards indefinitely. In contrast, employees rely on active income, working hard for every paycheck their entire lives. While employees often struggle to save for the future, entrepreneurs create assets that not only sustain their lifestyle, but also secure generational wealth. 2. Real estate. Building a business isn't the only way to achieve financial independence. Real estate is another powerful asset that can create significant wealth. While not everyone can start a business due to financial or personal circumstances, investing in real estate is a viable path for many. Robert Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of leveraging OPM, other people's money, to invest in rental properties. By using borrowed funds, you can purchase real estate that generates rental income. This income can cover mortgage payments, property expenses, and still leave extra cash in your pocket. Additionally, real estate offers tax advantages, further boosting your financial position. Over time, as you acquire more properties, you become less reliant on your paycheck. This gradual shift towards financial independence allows you to escape the rat race and create a legacy of wealth for future generations. 3. Paper assets. For those unable to commit to starting a business or investing heavily in real estate, paper assets provide a more accessible route to wealth. These include stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and government securities. Investing in paper assets requires discipline and a willingness to prioritize savings over discretionary spending. By allocating funds regularly to these instruments, you can benefit from the growth of profitable businesses without the challenges of running one yourself. The earlier you start investing, the faster you can build wealth. Over time, these assets can grow into a reliable source of passive income, helping you achieve financial freedom. 4. Commodities. Unlike paper money, which holds value only because governments back it, commodities like gold, silver, oil, and agricultural products have intrinsic value. These are often referred to as God's money because they fulfill essential human needs. Commodities serve as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. While the value of currency can fluctuate or even collapse, commodities retain their importance due to their limited supply and consistent demand. Diversifying your portfolio with commodities can safeguard your wealth during tough times. 5. Time. Time is humanity's most precious resource. While money can be lost and regained, time once spent is gone forever. Making the most of your time is crucial for building wealth and achieving financial independence. Starting early is one of the most effective ways to maximize your wealth. For example, someone who begins investing at 20 will accumulate far more than someone who starts at 30, thanks to the power of compounding. Additionally, use your free time to upgrade your skills, explore side hustles, or pursue passions. These efforts can lead to life-changing opportunities, helping you achieve both personal and financial growth. 6. Your health. Good health is the foundation of a successful and fulfilling life. Without it, the wealth you accumulate may be meaningless. Unfortunately, many people neglect their health in their pursuit of success, indulging in unhealthy diets, excessive drinking, and other harmful habits. Investing in your health through regular exercise, a balanced diet, and proper self-care not only enhances your productivity, but also reduces long-term medical expenses. A healthy body and mind enable you to work towards your goals effectively and enjoy the fruits of your labor. 7. Online assets. The internet has opened up countless opportunities to create wealth. Starting a YouTube channel, blog, or online course often requires minimal investment, but the potential for growth is limitless. By sharing your expertise or passion, you can build a loyal audience and generate income through ads, affiliate marketing, or product sales. Over time, these online assets can evolve into full-fledged businesses, creating multiple streams of passive income. 8. Your network. The saying, "Your network is your net worth," holds true in every industry. Building strong relationships and a positive reputation can significantly impact your success. Whether you're running a business or advancing in your career, a solid network of supporters and advocates can open doors to new opportunities. Delivering quality work and maintaining goodwill will ensure that your name is associated with excellence, attracting more clients and collaborators over time. By focusing on these 8 assets, you can break free from the cycle of working for money and start building a life of financial freedom and security. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on personal finance and wealth-building strategies.